Hello everybody, day 13 of 30 days, 30 terminologies. Thank you for continuous followership and thank you for staying and encouraging us to do more of this. We have 17 more days, guys. I'm really excited. I can't believe I'm doing this. This is my first consistency over time. Okay, all right, let's start today with training data sets, testing data sets, and validation data set. So I explained what model is before now. So if you see the link I put here, just check it out. You watch the video on what a model is, a trained digitalized brain. So now to train the brain, we need what we call data sets. Now, how do we train it? We train the model. We need to tell whether the model has learned or can perform better on data it has not seen or can do better. So we test it, and also in order to improve the performances, we try to validate it. So think about training data sets as schoolwork. Training data sets, think about it as schoolwork. Testing data set, think about it as exam. And think about validation data set as mock exam. So the training data set is used to teach the model. The testing data set is used to examine to see if the model has learned well on data it has not seen. Now we have taught you to do this. Now if you see this, can you do this? So we have taught it based on, okay, this is the training data set. We have taught it well, and we want to test it to see if it's going to make sense. Why the validity data set is the data set we use to fine tune in the learning process. Oh, let's try to add this. Let's make sure it makes sense. So it's the intermediary data set we try to use to fine tune the learning process of the model. I hope this makes sense. And usually we kind of separate this data set into 60, 30, 10, 70, 20, 10, depending on how we decide or whatever metric we are using. But basically, training data set is used to teach the model. Testing data set is used to test if the model is doing well or it has learned well on using data that the model has not seen. And validation data set is used to validate or to fine-tune the data in the learning process. I hope this explanation is clear. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you and bye.